Hello and welcome to my workshop. And for those of you that are first time here, please subscribe to my channel. So the reason for this video is that I needed to print on wood and on cardboard and also on larger pieces and larger quantities. So I tried several ways. Just printing something out and gluing it onto the surface. Yes, this is possible, but I don't like this. And the other thing that I tried is transfer printing. You just print what you want to have on the wood and you have to print it mirrored, and then you just glue it onto the wood with special glue, or you can use wood glue, and you soak the paper with water, and then you can just remove the paper and like scrub the rest of the paper away. Yeah, as you can see, this did not work. Despite the glue that I used was supposed to be waterproof. So this method is tricky to get it right, and that's the reason for this unboxing video, or better, this machine that I will unbox today. This is a laser that I have bought before because I wanted to build the machine by myself. But let me tell you the most important thing about the laser. It is very, very dangerous. So the most important thing about lasers is to use proper safety equipment. Always wear your laser safety goggles, and the next thing with these kind of machines that we are talking about is that they do not have proper safety equipment. That is the reason why I will build an enclosure for this machine, fully closed and with a kill switch for the laser power in the door. So it is not possible to have the machine running or to have the laser running when the door is open. So this is my insurance that no radiation or laser light will get out of the box. Everything you do is on your own responsibility, and you have to be very careful with these machines because they are not safe. I cannot tell this often enough. You have to take care that you will not injure yourself or everyone else. The laser radiation is so dangerous, it can blind you irreparable, and it can also cause injuries on your skin and on other people or animals. It even can cause fires, so you have to be cautious in every meaning. I, for myself, do have a fire extinguisher in my workshop just in case, even for the 3D printer. And I will also add this carbon car cabin filter with some 12-volt fans. These are 120 millimeters, and they will suck the air out of the box, because what the laser does is it burns the material that you're trying to mark or to machine, and so you have smoke coming up from the workpiece, which is also not the healthiest thing. Okay, enough talking. Here it is. I think the message is clear. You are responsible for what you do, and I am not responsible for what you do. Everyone has to take care of the precautions for himself. So, let's get started. This is the box. It's the laser, just as it arrived at my door. And yeah, enjoy. I don't know what to expect in this box. It's a little bit crushed, but I don't think the internal components are damaged, but we will see. By the way, the laser that you have seen just before is a 5-watt laser. I bought this because I wanted to build a machine like this by myself, but then I ran out of time, and so I decided to go with this kit. And here we go. I told you the laser will not come out of the box, but in this case, in this box, the laser will come out. Okay, I have it the wrong way around. Oh, first thing, little adapter. I don't trust these things. And that's it. Here's the machine. An Allen key. What is this? Laser engraving machine. Instructions. Here's the machine data, engraving speed 200 millimeter up to 2 meters per minute, 1 to 100 milliseconds per pixel, positioning accuracy 0.1 millimeter, total power 80 watts. Why do they have 80 watts? I don't know. Okay. What do we have here? Okay, some description of the components. How to use, install the driver. Little Chinese. And of course some nice pictures that you can engrave. And a little bit of artwork. Okay. This is the list of accessoires for the 6560 laser engraving machine. It is called like this because it has a working range of 65 centimeters by 50 centimeters. Okay, some parts here. Let's begin with the laser. Okay. So this has to be the power control box, and this one is the 3-watt laser. Let's compare it with the 5-watt laser. Oh yes, it's a little bit bigger, the 5-watt laser. Okay. But the rest is basically the same. There's a little fan on the top end, and then there's this adjusting lens for the focus of the laser dot. Okay, where's the laser? Laser module, control panel. I think that's it. Next thing in the box, one USB cable, which is this one. Control unit. Where is it? Oh, I think this is the control panel that I ticked before, and this is just the laser module. with this one. Yeah, you cannot detach it, so that's one unit. Some import acrylic. That's right. One piece. I'm not sure about this. I do have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pieces. But I guess this will be alright. Power adapter, stepper motor, 3 pieces, okay. Here they are. With little cable connectors, and the cables are here too. So we have these stepper motors and motor connections with sheath. Oh, little detail, they even installed the pulleys. They don't normally do that. Okay, but it's nice. It's not a lot of work to do this, but it's a nice little detail that I like. The next thing in the box, obviously the power supply. They said 80 watt power consumption. What do they have mentioned here? Output 12 volt 3 amps, which is 36 watts. Okay, this is obviously not 80 watts. And the input power will not be 80 watts too. This would be really bad efficiency of this. Some laser goggles. They look pretty cheap. They are almost falling apart without being touched. Okay. This does not look nice. I think I will stick with my leg. Oh, I don't know if you can see this, but the glasses are already scratched out of the box. Okay. I don't think I will trust this one. This goes right into the garbage, and I will use my quality laser goggles. Next thing in the package, what do we have here? A lot of connectors, nylon pulley, 15 pieces. Well then, let's count. Just kidding. 3 and 3 and 6 and 3. Okay, 15. They are here. 20 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this should be 4. We are fine. Inner hexagon spanner. This is not this one. What do they mean? Ah, okay. We have 2 bigger brothers. And then we have a synchronous belt. And synchronous wheels, which are already installed on the stepper motors. So, anything missing? Aluminum extrusions. One big one. 2 little bit shorter ones. And 2 short but wide ones. Oh yeah, these are 20 by 40 millimeters. These have to be these profiles. 20 by 20. Okay, and 20 by 41. Okay, perfect. That's it. And Obviously they forgot to mention these screws. I guess there are some more than you need, and this will be fine. Okay, very good.